Welcome to day 22 of the 77-day Manifestation Challenge. You're doing incredible work by strengthening the inner wiring of belief, focus, and felt reality. I'm proud of you. Today, we lean into the power of mental imagery. What the mind sees clearly, the body and the brain begin to accept as true. Let's begin. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Breathe in imagination. Breathe out doubt. One more time in. And gently release. Now say silently in your mind, I am open to new beliefs. I am rewiring for joy, clarity, and purpose. Begin relaxing from the ground up. Soften your feet, your legs, your hips. Relax your belly, your chest, your shoulders, your jaw. Relax your eyes, your forehead, and all the way to the top of your head. Your body is the receiver. Let it open. Now say silently, I am present, I am calm, I am open. Visualization isn't about daydreaming. It's a neurological rehearsal. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between a vividly imagined event and a real one. This means you can train your nervous system to believe your intention is already happening. Today, let's imagine that your desire has already manifested. Here are a few things to think about. Where am I? Who's with me? What am I doing? What do I see, smell, hear, feel, and touch? How does my body feel? What emotion is present? You're not trying to force it. You're letting your inner world get familiar with what you want. Take a few minutes to script your vision as if it is already real. You might begin with, I wake up feeling. In my day, I experience. I notice that. Make it rich, make it sensory, make it yours. Now, read your vision slowly, aloud. Close your eyes for a moment and see it as clearly as you can. Let the emotion rise. You are building a memory of the future. Now, place both hands on your heart. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Say to yourself silently, each day my new reality becomes more real to me. See you tomorrow for day 23, where we'll strengthen your vision even further through physical symbols like vision boards and mind movies. You're not just dreaming, you're programming your future.